Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of data structures. In today's session, we are going to discuss the how to delete a node from the beginning of the list. In the previous sessions, we have seen all the insertion operations like insertion at the beginning, insertion at the end, insertion at a particular position and all. In today's session, we are going to see the deletion operation. Here is a PPT of it. After the completion of the session, the learner will be able to know how to delete a node from the beginning of the list. Generally, we have so many deletion operations like deletion at the beginning of the list. We can delete a node from the end of the list, and also we can delete from a particular position of the list, and also we can delete from a given node before and after also. So to delete at the beginning of the list, what we have to do is, suppose if we want to delete this node, here what happens is, if I want to delete this node, I have to make this node as head node. So for that, what do I do is, I'm assigning this node as current node. I'm assigning this node as current node. Then what do I do after this? See, initially I'm assigning the first node as current node. Then what do I'm doing? If I want to move this head node to the next node, I have to move head equals to current link. It means in current link place, I need to move the head. The current link is 1004. So for the in that place, I have to move the head node. So by the help of this second statement, automatically this head node will be moved to the next position. Then what do I have to do? I have to make the current link as null. The current link as null. So this node get deleted. To deallocate the memory, we have to use a function called as free. So if I say free of cur, then automatically this node get deleted. This is how we perform the deletion at the beginning of the list. See how what I'm doing? I'm assigning the first node as current node. Then after that, what do I'm doing? I'm making the second node as head node. Then after that, I'm making this as null. Then I'm making this first node as free. It means I'm deallocating the memory so that the space I can use for some other node creation. This is how I can delete the node from the beginning of the list. Here is the source code of how to delete a node from the beginning of the list. Initially, if I give the head equals to null, it means there are no nodes in the list. If I'm trying to delete a node from the empty list, then it is not possible. Else, I'm using the above 3 steps for deleting the list from the beginning. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.